Hello guys, welcome sa another example or example number 2 of our integrating factor by inspection. So based from our example number 1, we did not use yung table of integrating factors natin, ano? So it just prove na yung table of integrating factors natin is not always the solution for our problem to make it easier, or to make it solvable. So to utilize yung by inspection na method, you need knowledge or a good knowledge sa differential and integral calculus para ma-decide mo yung correct integrating factor to make your solution easier or shorter than the intended solution prescribed by the table dito sa page natin. Okay, so to solve, we have xy dy minus y squared plus 3x squared dx is equal to 0. So again, first step is to regroup the terms strategically. Okay, so let's do that. So we just need to distribute yung dx. So y squared and yung negative sign sa kabila, dx, negative 3x squared dx is equal to 0. Okay, so when grouping, by investigating, this term is already um, composed of single variable na lang siya. So we can actually group that solo na siya, no? Solo na. So we can group yung first two together, I think, no? And then we have the last one here. Okay? Then for the first group, try to look for a factorable variable. Okay, so we have y, x dy minus y dx minus dx is equals to 0. Okay, so ayan. So we have group of terms na y dy minus y dx. So referring to our table here, so we have, what is that value? X dy minus y dx. So positive x dy siya, no? Minus dyx. So dito, what can you say? Dito, baliktad lahat siya, no? If you are you will refer dito sa table na to. But as you can see dito, may negative sign siya. Okay? So meaning, you can actually use the positive integrating factor. Okay? Gagamitin mo si positive na integrating factor na 1 over x squared kapag yung group of terms mo is reverse ng sign nung group of terms niya. So, pwede siya maging x dy minus y dx. Okay? Which is our case here, no? We have x dy, y dx. So, we can use a positive value of 1 over x squared. Okay? So, let's try that. So, based from the table, okay, ang ix natin is 1 over x squared. Okay? So, try to multiply 1 over x squared. So, once we multiply that, we will have now a term, ano? No? I-imagine nyo lang, meron tayong term ngayon na meron ng over x squared. That is the exact differential of dyx, ano? So, dyx yung magiging exact differential mo. Ang meron ka lang is y. So, kulang ka ng x sa denominator. So, to cater yung kulang na x, you need to add another x variable doon, no? So, parang ang multiply mo dapat is bukod sa 1 over x squared, kailangan mong gawin siyang 1 over x cubed. Okay? So, this will be now y x dy minus y dx over, gawin natin, sorry. Okay? Let's do it like this. Over x squared. So, the same lang yan. Minus 3x squared dx all over x cubed is equals to 0. Okay? Again, this term is an exact differential dito na y over x. Pero without pertaining dun sa table, um, we can analyze na this particular fraction, it can be an exact differential ng variables na meron siyang denominator na naka-square, no? So that is quotient. So differential ng quotient, so sa formula ng quotient, yung denominator yung naka-square. So meaning this will be x, and then tingnan natin yung second derivative o second term doon sa numerator that pertains dun sa yung first term doon o yung first variable doon pertains dun sa numerator mo. So it should be y dito. Okay? So that is the same. Yung analogy niya. Okay? And we have here magka-cancel yung isang x. So we have 3 dx over x is equals to 0. Now you can integrate your function. Okay? So continuing it here. So y over x. So again, this is the same case na lang ng u du. So you just need to use yung power formula. So we have y over x squared all over squared minus 3 ln of x. Okay, dx over x is ln of x equals to c. Okay, so simplify natin. We can do this as y squared over 2x squared minus yung property ng natural logarithm, we can actually transfer it dun sa exponent nung nasa loob. So that is ln of x cubed is equals to c. So to simplify this, we can just multiply both sides by 2x squared. So we have y squared minus 2x squared ln of x cubed is equals to 2x squared c. So another solution, we can transpose the other one. So yung second term, we have 2x squared ln of x cubed plus 2x squared c, or y squared is equals to 2x squared multiplied by ln of x cubed plus c. Okay, so I like this better. So this will be our final answer. Okay, so that is our solution for this given differential equation. Okay, again, we use a table to identify 1 over x squared as our integrating factor, but that is not enough para mailabas natin si kasama ni exact differential. Ano? So, para mailabas yon, na-identify natin na ito yung exact differential natin, y over x. Eh, kanina, y lang siya. So, kailangan na magdagdag ka ng 1 over x para maging y over x siya. Para maging siyang u du. Okay? Once na u du na siya, it can easily be integratable using power formula for integration or basic formula ng integral. And then, yun. Solve or simplify the given function, and then you have now your solution. Okay? So, if you have clarification, you can leave your comment below. But for now, this is example number 2 of integrating factor by inspection. See you guys on the next example. Thank you.